Rule number one when parking anywhere is to take the end spot to avoid door dings. And if you're gonna send it, may as well go all the way. This does make it a little easier to get in on this side, I must say. That's nice. We are here at Tanica Farms. No, we are not here to pick strawberries. We're here to get one last final good look at the Silverado before we install 35% tint on the windshield. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get that done. Everything I do to this truck makes me love it so much more, which is hard to believe. I love this truck so much. But yes, very bold move. We're doing 35% tint on the windshield, which will be a very curious thing once the sun goes down. But yes, 35% is considered a light tint. 35%, for those who don't know, means 35% of the light gets in. So the lower the number, the darker the shade. We have 15% on the front two roll-ups, and we're gonna have 35 on the windshield. Also, update on the bed cover. I'm loving it. It's holding up great. It's been on for about a week now, and I have no complaints whatsoever. So, get you one. I have a new Trail Boss, and it needs a chrome delete. This truck would be so sick if it had a chrome delete. It's still tight either way, but you know, it'd be cooler with the chrome delete. And unfortunately, we have a leak in the front right tire reading 33 PSI. Earlier this morning when it was colder outside, it was reading 30. It's warmer now, so the tires and the air pressure have expanded, but nonetheless, we have a slow leak. So we should probably fill up our tire really quick. First and foremost, we need to prepare the glass, make sure it's as clean as can possibly be. Also, I need to remove my dash cam temporarily. If you guys don't have a dash cam, I strongly advise you get one. This is one of the best ones on the market. It's a Vava dash cam. I'll link that in the description below. This is going to pay itself off majorly one day when someone tries to blame me for them hitting my truck. Here's just an example of some of the things I see on a daily basis. Oops. Trickiest part of tinting a window is getting all these wrinkles out, or fingers as I refer to them. Kind of tricky, but we'll get her done.
What are you doing to it?
Tinting it.
Like, how dark is that? I mean, you can see through it?
That's pretty dark. That's 35%.
So the cop's just gonna like put a scratch through it if you don't like it?
I mean, probably. And I'm doing a full body wrap next too.
Sweet.
Like that, the window tint has been completely installed on the windshield. You guys probably cannot tell quite yet, but that's a big difference. Now let's take our freshly tinted windshield in the sun. First impressions of the windshield tint from inside of the truck on a beautiful sunny day. I absolutely love it. I feel invisible, I feel stealth, I feel like I'm going to get a ticket when I see a cop, but nonetheless, it is letting so much less sunlight in the dash, keeping the inside of the truck a whole lot cooler. My air conditioning is on low right now, so that is really nice. It's not hard to see out of whatsoever. I have a perfect visual of everything going on outside, though it is very bright and sunny outside, so that definitely helps. I would best compare this to wearing a pair of sunglasses. Okay, this is next level sick. As you guys can see, we are in direct sunlight, and there is not really a whole lot getting in through the windshield hitting my dash, which makes this feel really nice and cool. Oh, this is legit. This is so nice. I don't know what I was doing without having windshield tint for the entire ownership of my truck, but this is a complete game changer. We have wraps on wraps today. Those are both, I think, satin dark gray. Interesting. We must know each other. On behalf of the Blue Eye Nation, we would like to thank whoever invented window tint, because you're a hero. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what 35% tint looks like on the windshield But first, really quick, let's talk about these side windows. I don't think they're dark enough anymore. I'm trying to go for a fully blacked out look. I don't want there to be even a silhouette, at least on the back windows, and I want the front two to be super dark. This is almost there, but I think what we need is another layer of 35 on all the windows. Now let's see what 35% tint looks like on the windshield. What? Oh, that's so sick. Oh my, yes, 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 yes. That's so sick. All right, so check this out. You can't really see in there at all. I mean, it's pretty dark. It's not fully blacked out, but it's pretty dark. That is really, really dark. That's perfect though. That's what we wanted. Comment below, what do you guys think? How long until I get pulled over for 35% tint on the windshield? We need to see what this looks like from the inside of the truck on out at nighttime. So we need the sun to go down like now. And just like that, it is nightfall. I could not let you guys forget about the rock lights that we installed a little while back, as well as the LED turn signals. I try my best to hook you guys up as much as I possibly can, so everything will be in the description below. The LED turn signals, which were a major upgrade from halogen, they're super bright, and the rock lights. These are the turn signals on at range. Very, very bright. We like bright. As well as the LED reverse lights, which I think play a major role in helping you reverse safely when looking through your backup camera especially. These do a really good job at lighting up the surrounding area. So I'll link those in the description below. I know I tend to get really excited over little things, but this is so sick. Oh, it's so mysterious in there. It's so stealth. I love it. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Oh, that's so blacked out. I love it. So yeah, with no sun in the sky, there's a ton of light pollution over there coming from the airport, but nonetheless, the windshield looks black. It's so dark. We need to see what it's like driving the truck, looking outside of the window from the inside of the truck at night. So on that note, let's go for a cruise. That was a close call. I didn't see him coming up. I rolled the windows down as fast as I possibly could. I'm not gonna say you can't tell it's here at all, because it's definitely a noticeable difference. Now for comparison's sake, we have no tint and then we have 35%. So yeah, definitely a notable difference, but not that hard to see out of at all. Okay, so we're approaching a street that has little to no streetlights. And as long as my headlights are on, I really have no issue seeing anything at all. So I guess the main objective here is keep your headlights on and you'll be fine. Man, this is one of the cooler feelings I've ever had while driving my truck. And that is going to pretty much conclude today's video. I'm loving it so far. I have no problems with it, but we'll see how it goes in the next couple of weeks. I might get over it, rip it off. Who knows? In the meantime, I'm checking out. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will catch you guys on the next one. Till then, peace out.